Welcome YouTube. Right here I have like bb8 Star Wars and face band. It goes for the bb8, you know. And what we gotta do is we had to try this out. We got the tablet. We could program it to it, and but you can't program it to that one. We got a bb8 right here, but right now, maybe in the end, I'll show you how we program it. And here's bb8, and we got the tablet, and we try to put this together and hook it up, see what happened, and see what's doing it, and you can help me out, see what's going on. There it is. And what's good about it, it shows you like the Bluetooth menus, and you got like the battery right here. It says you could charge it up for like 60 minutes. It'll be full charge, and it will take about maybe an hour to the battery finish. But it's very nice, bb8. And we got this box right now. We already took the cover out. We got this box is very heavy. Look at it, it's very heavy. And but make sure you gotta download the app for it on your tablet. This way you can play on it like a Bluetooth. Look at the design on it. Man, you can't even beat it. Like coming out of a fresh box. I love the design on it. And let's open up. Oh, damn. Look what they got. Star Wars. They got a menu of bb8, how you put it together. And you gotta put it on the charger and make sure you charge it up. And comes out with a fresh cover, and you got a menu right here. It says Star Wars on it, and if you go in, there's all the menu that shows you on it. I don't want to read it. That's a long time. Blah 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 blah. Look at that. Oh my God. Look how it looks. So nice. Oh. Look at that, heavy. Let's check it out. Let's bring the little baby ass head. Oh, there it is. You got a magnet, and you got a charger with it. Oh. And you got a hard charger, but we don't want to use it. You got a couple wires that goes for it. There's another board I think so in there. Let's check it out what it is. Oh, damn. It comes with the charger. Battery charge. And they give me another, oh wow. Look at this. I didn't even see that. Let's check it out. Oh. Badass. I like that. Goes like this on top. Oh. Look how it is. Very nice. Good design on it. Like that. What we gotta do is let's hook up this little thing. Put it on here. Let's charge it up. Get it ready. Alright. Oh, light came on. Oh, look at the light. Charging means it's charging. We gotta find to put the head on it. Oh. Badass. Look at that. Nice. We'll let it charge. Let's talk about the watch for it. And this watch right here, you can program it to it. You can program the tablet on it. I like that. What we gotta do, we gotta try this next. After what we've done right here. And this is charged. It's waiting on the app to download. But right now we can check it out. Let's check it out. Where's that? Alright. Let me see if it turns on. Let's see what happened. bb8. You gotta download this on your phone, Android, iPhones, any kind of phone. Just download this app for it. You can use this like a controller. Badass. Look at that. bb8. Let's check it out. Let me see. He's still sleeping. Let's talk about this watch. Right now, this watch, when I saw it, badass. Star Wars. Right now, it shows right here, Star Wars. That's the app for it. Right now, you check in. Right now is loading the app for it. See, the light is on. It just turned on. And it shut off. Let's try it one more time. Oh, there it is. I just press a button. Right now, just gotta turn on. See? Uh-oh. Let's check this app. You can help me out too with it. Badass. What do we got on there? You got everything on that app. You could do anything on it. Let's check the first one out. Let's check it out. Let me see, he's still alive. He's still alive. You can stay, you always gotta put next. And they show you how to control it. Uh-oh. Badass. Wow. See that? You press next. It looks like a controller. But you can move it around. And you got bb8 right here. You can move it around. Badass. Let me see if you program it to this one. Let me check it out. Oh. Badass. I think he's reading it. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. What you do when your program is like a video game. Let me see. We could put this on the ground. Let's check it out how it is. I hope it doesn't crack my phone. Oh. Badass. What is that? Uh-oh. Rock and roll. Like that. Right now, we're ready to program the app for it. Right now, we gotta erase this app. Not erase it. I want to keep it because I can play on it later on. That's what we do is let's program the watch. I was waiting for it. This one got a Bluetooth, and you could charge it up for like 30 minutes. It would be a full charge. That one makes the robot move anywhere. All right, let's check it out. Badass. The box got Star Wars on it. Look at this watch. Oh, look at this watch. Very nice. Let's check it out. Let's program it. Let me see if it works. Let me see. Alright, let's turn this on. Right now he's gonna show you.
Choose your activity.
See? Now you gotta program it.
Control your droid.
You control it.
Hold your force band
Next to it.
Droid to connect.
See, the lights up open.
With your arm level to the ground.
Make sure the blue light goes. The blue light, make sure you touch it. Alright? And you press the button right here.
You are ready to control your droid. Force push to begin.
Yep. Right now, the bb8 is already on. It's already connected to my tablet. Connected to my watch. Oh, and it dropped. I hit this, but it's okay. It's still alive. Give it a hit. It just dropped out of right here, messing with it. Oh, there it is. Don't do it again. You scared the shit out of me. Okay, let's put this in your. Make sure you wear it.
Go back again.
Alright. And you can tie it. It's like a band. You can tie that. Badass. Oh. See? Look at that. Listens. Look over there. Look over there. Okay, I just want to say welcome YouTube. And now we put everything together. Look at that. So it was move around. Right now, I'm going to do is I'm going to play around with my machine. bb8. You know what? We could do a little test on it right now before I leave. Let's check it out. There it is. Okay, it's like a puppy. Look what he's doing. Let me see. Right here. Face this way. He's going the wrong way. That is. Alright. Good. And it pushes. If you want to bring it back, just push it back. That is. It's going. But it keep falling. Badass. bb8 is hyper right now because he was drinking the Red Bull. See, see? Look over there. Say hi. Over there. Say bye, YouTube. We say bye. bb8 say bye. Peace. Thank you very much.